This is Eric Moore, Mother.com. Let's take a look at the chart for crude oil, which today is down about 9%. And what we're going to be doing here in this quick educational video, March 18th, 2021, is take a look at what I call simple single RSI lines. All right, let's begin first by previous behavior. What we're going to do here is I'm going to draw a couple of lines. Let's draw a line as such. So connecting RSI lows. This is a long-term monthly chart, by the way, connecting the lows here in late 08 and the lows there late 2013. Let's do that and see what I'm trying to explain here. Strange lines can give you a lot of information, and this is on the back of the video I did recently about letting the chart tell you where to draw these lines. So here we see a break in 2014 of the highs there. It turned into resistance again here at the highs of 2018. All right, and there's no argument about that. The market was responding. Let's take a look at another line. Remember, this is a big picture chart going back to 1990. Now let's do another line. I'm going to do this line and I'm going to extend it. You do it like that, that's fine. It connects the prior lows. As you can see, the lows of double bottom lows of 98, lows of late 2001, and these lows here in 07, 06. And again, we see a break of the highs there, a major drop, and uniform activity above the line, back below it. As I always try and explain, that tends to be a trap zone. That was a high right there. Now let's take a look at what happened in early 2020. This area here, major lows right there. What we can do is take this high in 08 and connect it with the highs right there. There's a couple highs here and here and a little bit of a blip right there. So we're going to draw a line connecting all those points. There you have it. You can see what I'm getting at. Now from this line, simple line, we can see a support on the line here of the lows 2017. We come close here of the lows of late 2018, and we tag this with uniform activity below the line, back above it for the lows of early 2020. Remember, this is a big picture chart, so, and it's a monthly chart. These things take time to play out, but you can see they're right there in our face. So now let's take a look at the current monthly chart as of yesterday, before today's pullback in crude oil. And I'm going to propose a simple line, which is the RSI topside line. You can see that the market has come back to this level. Now, is the market aware of this line? I would propose that more than likely it is, hence the pullback. And we also know that should the market eventually form a base and break out above the line, that in itself would be bullish. But for now, the market is telling us it is aware of this challenging area on the chart and it is pulling back, in other words, aka resistance. Now keep in mind, this is happening just under RSI 61.8, which again makes this a meaningful area on the long-term 61.8 on the long-term monthly chart. Meaningful area to watch out for reversals. Also, if you go to my uniformity concept, you see that this is also consistent with where we stalled. If we take a look at this break in sometime in 2018, we can see a break here again at around RSI 61.8. And now if we take that line and draw a uniformity concept line, yep, that's exactly where we are seeing the market showing signs stalling. So this could be an area of quote unquote hidden resistance or a challenging area on the chart. Now again, I need to emphasize this. It doesn't mean that in time it cannot build a base and break out. It can do so, but right now we haven't seen that take place yet. So by using the chart itself and not forcing our opinions, if we use the charts themselves and see where we can draw lines that the chart itself is responding to, we tend to get a better area on the charts where we can make some meaningful decisions about the probabilities. Eric Moore with Mother.com. Love, like love. Namaste.